yourself?
So first of all, thank you ma'am for giving me a chance to introduce myself. I'm Dhanashri Yashwant. Currently, I'm pursuing my BTech from Swedish College of Engineering, Coimbatore. I'm in third year. Uh, I have done my schooling from Indira Vidyadhesh English Medium School, and my 11th and 12th from Shardabai College, Mila Mahavidyalaya, Shardabai Baramati. So basically, I belong to Radegaon near Pandharpur, in Taluka Pandharpur. But due to my father's job occupation, he is a worker in sugar factory in Shripur. So I grown up in Shripur, which is in Taluka Marshiraj. I have different types of hobbies like sketching, playing guitar, singing songs.
Technically, in which subject you are perfect now?
Technically, right now, I'm perfecting. I'm not that much, but I'm perfect in Java.
Can you explain some concept regarding Java? Any concept?
So Java is basically Hooks language. So
What are the types?
Hooks means object oriented.
Can you explain some concept regarding groups?
In Hooks, inheritance is one of the concepts, which means acquiring the properties of parents. At least child class acquires the properties of parent. Example is if in parent class we have taken a variable x, int variable x, we have assigned the value 100, and in child class we have extended that parent class. Then and in child class if we have written an variable y assigning value 200, then by making the object of child class we can access the variable x in x from parent class, as we have extended it in child class.
Okay. How many projects completed till date?
Projects which I have separately. Now I'm working on other projects too, but PhD1 of mobile application and development.
And then you have knowledge about Android also. You are putting Java. Then you are putting Android.
Not that much. Basic concepts of Android, which I have made.
What is your future target? There's 2 to 3 months.
What I will do. Basically, now I'm focusing on Java and web technology. Is I'm practicing the lead code questions in Java language, and as we have subject and projects of web technology, I have started working on it.
But so many students are moving for the web technology. Yes. And they have also good knowledge of Java. What is the difference between you and them? Why we choose?
First of all, I like my passion is I like to work.
I don't like, we don't want such answers, but what is difference between you and them? Is there any extra knowledge you have about advanced Java?
Advanced Java, I'm learning. I'm in learning stage of advanced Java.
Then why you are not using Android at all? If you are good in Java, then why you are not using Android?
Right now, I'm not thinking about Android, but I can shift on Android.
My good advice to you that you should do it Android because now the current situation is like that. Don't get into web development. You already so many concepts already covered. So just try to complete 1 or 2 projects, whatever requirement. But do your main focus to Android. This will be definitely will because in current situation, the only demand of Android is Android. You have to work hard for that. Then only there is possibility to get different from examples. So try to purchase some courses from Udemy or Android. If you have any other teacher, then make me try. And what about aptitude? You are good in aptitude?
No, I'm just learning aptitude.
Your timetable is prepared?
Daily
Your
timetable.
timetable? No, not daily timetable. Your study timetable regarding placement.
I'm just going through technical questions nowadays. Daily, I'm solving 1, 2, sometimes 3 questions.
As per your answer.
No, not this is not sufficient, but I'm trying to solve more. But uh, I'm trying my best. I'm just not just.
How many hours you do for your placement activities? Daily hours, daily basis.
Daily, 1.5 hour of night study I give to that, and 1 hour in morning.
Only for placement activities.
I complete all my write-ups during college like hours if I get time. And whenever I'm at home, I never.
You are good in your basic concepts. All second year, all basics you know. That's been data structure, all concepts, microprocessor, all concepts.
As much I have studied for exams. For microprocessor, I have done a self-study. So if I brush up all the concepts, then I can obviously answer those questions as I know. And of data structures, I'm doing the data structures.
How many projects you completed today?
In web technology, also I have completed.
One Android, one web technology. Android launch project is there.
No, launch now.
Try to launch your project in Android. Try to get something new in this previous project also. And you focus on Android. You focus on Android, and automatically there are some chances will be there. More chances will be there. Yes. As per your confidence is good, as per my knowledge, your communication is also good. So you will focus on these points. But you focus on Android and try to purchase one Udemy course which you directly impact on your resume. When the certificate is added in your resume, then you will get brush up all these things
Yes,
previously.
Basically, I'm doing data structures, but the concept of trees and graph, I need to make my more perfect. I'm not perfect in the concept of trees and graph.
Prepare your proper timetable and go through this timetable automatically. After 3, 4 or 5 months, definitely something is in your hand. Focus on that.
What do you think? How much time I should give to aptitude and technical?
Daily 1.5 hour for aptitude on daily basis and near about 2 hours for technical. Not too much time is required. But in case of technical, what you are doing, you just focus in one code and you are trying to only solve this only one code. So don't go through like that. Technical, that means you have to brush up all these things also. This is also technical. Each and everything is technical. If some concept is there, then what is the data behind this technique? So you have to look in this also. So go theory also. You are thinking like that, no, only code is there, then it's not like that. If 100 lines of course is there and you are unable to explain this code, what is this? Then this is not good. Go through like that. Concept by concept. Try to prepare short notes, your own notes, which and every concept. Just common, very two daily. One subject will cover only 10 to 15 page, cover one subject, no problem. Try to focus like that. Short and sweet work. Smart work.
Smart.
Nice.